Welcome back everyone. Look what's here. The ECU is back, but we do have a problem. Okay, I got to take off the power commander, yeah, and I just started going through all the wires, taking off the zip ties, undoing the couple of connectors here. And I know quite a few of you were saying how the bike sounded a bit kind of like it was missing on one cylinder. And I must admit, it didn't sound right. I did listen to the video. I tell you what, it rode absolutely fine. And I listened to the video again and I thought, maybe there is something wrong with it. So I ordered another coil pack because I broke one of the caps slightly. And I thought, you know what, maybe there's like a bad connection. So I have got another coil pack on its way, and I thought I would replace the coil pack. So I've come in here, as I said, to take off the power commander, and I started going over everything, checking everything. This is the first time I've kind of stripped it down since the MOT, and yeah, like I said, taking off the power commander. And I was checking over these wires. Now, what I did do is get a bit more light on this. Sorry, so I'm professional. I'm not prepared. Yeah, here's a bit of light. Right, what I did do, can you see here? Ooh, I'm getting blinded by the light now. I rip tied these connectors in place. It didn't actually do a lot, apart from cause me a problem. Right, hold on. Oh, Grizz is being so professional. Sorry guys, hold on a minute. Bear with me, bear with me. Right, okay. So I rip-tied these connectors from the power commander in place to try and hold them back a bit, just to make sure the tank cleared all the wiring. And can you see it? Can you notice it? Look what we found. Oh dear, that's not good, is it? So basically, one of the wiring for one of the lower injectors has come loose, and I'm guessing this bank, which I don't know, is it bank 3? 1, 2, 3, is basically the wiring is pulled out, and that was because Grizmo, silly Grizmo, rip-tied the wire in place. And this is normal off the power commander, but yeah, it must have pulled it down and pulled the wire out. So now I've got to reseat those. I'm taking the power commander off now. I'll reseat those connectors, the wire connectors, back into that socket. What is it off? It's off the original loom to go onto the connector injector bank. So yeah, that needs sorting. So that is why, guys, so all of you that said, Grizz, your bike's not firing right, is missing on one cylinder, you were kind of right. It was missing fuel in one of the cylinders, I'm guessing. It was firing but missing fuel. It did definitely feel fluffy and a lack of low down power. And I'm guessing when I got above 7,000 revs, the upper bank injectors kicked in as well and maybe kind of softened that. But it was pulling hard, guys. This is the scary thing at the moment. It was riding very well and it was pulling very hard, but it sounded very fluffy low down. So I've got to get this bad boy back on, back from Hilltop Motors, or motorcycle should I say. It's had a lot of controversy. As I say with this, it's been remapped, so it's basically, you know, changed rev limits, speed limits, fueling, engine braking. I can't remember what else there was, but it also contains, which I know is a subject of controversy, an auto tuning software on there. Now this, as we've talked about in the previous vlog, the bike has no O2 sensors, so there's no O2 down here on the bung. Can you even see anything? Not really, no. Anyway, there's no O2 sensors on the bike, They've all been removed. There they are, and I've got no no dyno jet, no auto tune, no O2 sensors. So we're gonna see, guys, now. Like I said, it's not my argument. I've spoke to the guys at Hilltop, and I have great faith in their product. They've had a lot of good reviews, and doing a tune in the post like I've done here with the ECU is far from abnormal to them. So yeah, I need to sort out that connector, make it all good again, and take off the power commander and fit on the ECU. There's a proper procedure I have to follow before I start the bike up properly with that, so I'll go through that with you as well when I install it. I've still yet to do the air temperature sensor, but I will be sorting that out. Still yet to do the oil change, still yet to do the tyres. I nearly went out this morning to do the tyres, but it was a good job I didn't, because if I did I would have missed the postman. So I'm happy the ECU is here, stripped down, she's ready to go, ready for Grizz to fix up. I'll replace that coil pack as well at some point when that arrives, but that's not arrived today. So yeah, it looks like I owe you all a big apology, all you people that said it was misfiring, and I said nah, it's just the GoPro mic. It wasn't the GoPro mic, you're all correct. So I stand corrected, and I apologise to you all. But the sound on this bike, of what it actually sounds like to what you hear, is never a fair representation, to be honest. Sorry for the shaky camera work. I'm holding the camera today. I'm recording this on my phone to do you a quick vlog. So I'm going to get this uploaded and going to come back out into the garage and get some work done. All right. But I think we'll get this all sorted, get the ECU on, and I think I'll just have to take it for a ride. I know I've still got the oil to do and that sensor to do and the tyres to do, but I just want to ride it. And it's not looking bad weather today as well. It's starting to brighten up. Oh, sunshine. Right. Come on then, Grizz. Pull your finger out. Let's get this done. Okay, thanks for watching, people. And yeah, I'll bring you the next video, probably with the ECU installed, or maybe I'll just go through the install procedure, okay, and then it'll be another video when I take it out for a ride, and the proof of the pudding will be in the eating. Thanks for watching. Speak to you soon. Grizmo over and out.